Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be comparing Hostinger versus the guys from Bluehost. Yes, so in the end also I'm going to be checking what are the pros and the features and the benefits of each web hosting provider. So let's start with the guys from Hostinger. As you can see, the guys from Hostinger offers you a free domain registration, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. Yes, prices start from $2.99 per month, and also you're going to be getting 2 months for free in the links provided in the description of this video. Yes, so for example, the guys from Hostinger offer a perfect plan for you. For example, we have the most popular plan, that is the business plan, in which you're going to be getting 2 months for free, and you're going to be paying $3 plus 99 cents per month. What are the benefits? So you're going to be having 100 websites, managed WordPress, 200 GB NVMe storage, and free email, and many other features, as you can see right here. Yes. So now let's talk about the data centers around the world. The guys from Hostinger offers data centers around the USA, United Kingdom, France, India, Singapore, Indonesia, Brazil, Lithuania, and the Netherlands. Yes, for you to have the better experience when it comes to velocity with your website. Yes, so you are watching the map now. Now let's talk about a little bit about Hostinger. All-in-one website solution. Manage up to 100 websites. Register a domain name for free. Remember that this domain is for 1 year free. Then you're going to be paying the service for this domain registration. Yes. Set up a professional business email for your address. For example, let's imagine your website address is google.com. So your email address is going to be contactme@gmail or google.com. Yes. Optimize your workflow with managed WordPress hosting. Launch websites quickly and with our website builder. Remember that the guys from Hostinger offer a website builder that is sponsored by the artificial intelligence. What does this mean? That you're going to be creating your own website builder in the easiest ways, because the artificial intelligence is going to be building your website for you. Maximize your website speed. Maximize website loading speed with Lightspeed web server technology. Enjoy optimized performance. Reduce website response times up to 3 times with Object Cache for WordPress. Yes, recommended by BitCaptcha. WP Beginner Website Planet. This company is widely recognized. Our team is here to help you 24/7. Yes, receive help from our agents anytime via live chat support. Follow step-by-step video walkthrough and guides. Access a vast knowledge of in-depth tutorials. Yes. The guys from Hostinger are recommended and trusted by the platform called Trustpilot. What is Trustpilot? Is a platform where people give opinions about the hosting company or any company that offers services over the internet. Yes, this and many other features that the guys from Hostinger offer. Yes, yeah. Now let's talk about the guys. Let's talk about the guys from Bluehost. With Bluehost, you're going to be building your WordPress site just got easier. Easily host and launch a stylish WordPress website with our AI Wondersuite tools. Yes, so you're going to be also creating an awesome website with the artificial intelligence. Yes. What other services Bluehost offers? WordPress hosting for online stores, for cloud hosting, and design services. So if you don't know how to use artificial intelligence, or maybe you need help, or just you want to hire a service, you can hire a service from the guys from Bluehost. They will make an awesome website made specially for you. Yes. Fast hosting for your bold ideas, easy online stores with WordPress, flexible Google Workspace tools. Yes. Let our experts design your site, online marketing tailored for your brand. So the guys from Bluehost offer also online marketing services. Yes. Now let's talk about the hosting plans that Bluehost offers. Choose your web hosting plan. For example, they recommend the Choice Plus here, in which you're going to be paying $5 plus 45 cents a month. Yes. And also you're going to be getting this package for 3 websites, 4 GB SSD storage, and chat or live phone support. Yes, yeah, this is the pricing. Now, yeah, also the guys from Bluehost offer a new service that is the a cloud hosting service. If you ever want to hire a cloud hosting service with the guys from Bluehost, they are just starting special early access pricing. Cloud One, $20.99 per month. This is cheaper compared to other web hosting providers. Yes? Yeah, so now let's talk what are the pros and cons of Bluehost and Hostinger. Yes, head-to-head comparison, Hostinger versus Bluehost. Let's talk about the pricing. For example, with the guys from Hostinger, you're gonna be paying $2.99 per month. With Bluehost, $2.95 a month. Yes, storage space 50 gigabytes to 400 gigabytes. In Hostinger, in Bluehost, 10 gigabytes to 240. Yes. Website builder, yes, Hostinger has a website builder, Bluehost also has a website builder. Access manager, Hostinger has for multiple users, Bluehost only for a single user access. Yes. Cache manager, Hostinger, yes, Bluehost, no. Free privacy protection, except the single plan in Hostinger, also the same in Bluehost. Free website migration, let's see, Hostinger, yes. Hostinger has a free website migration, Bluehost doesn't. Free domain provided, yes, both of them provide a free domain. Multilingual support, Hostinger supports 11 languages available, yes, from Spanish to English, Portuguese, Indonesian, and more. And with the guys from Bluehost, English only. Security, free and unlimited SSL certificates. Similarly to Bluehost, free and unlimited SSL certificates and more features. Yeah, that was my comparison while I was comparing Hostinger with the guys from Bluehost. Remember guys, if you want a discount and offer, I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you guys to choose which hosting provider is best for you and obviously which is according to your needs. Hostinger or the guys from Bluehost. Yes, I hope you have liked my comparison, and I hope also it has helped you decide which is the best platform for you. Goodbye guys, see you next time. Have a nice day.